look at 1996 question. This question is very old. The question reads, simplify 6 plus 2 root 5 in a bracket in another larger bracket we got 3 minus 2 root 5 also. It's SSCE 96 November question 9AII. So let's see how we take this question. So solution. Good. So we have to rewrite the question again. 6 plus 2 root 5. Then in another larger bracket, 3 minus 2 on root 5. Okay, good. So at this point, what we try to do is to expand. And we know the various way we expand. First thing is that we know that this figure, it should be multiplying out the entire content in the right hand side. So I'll bring my 6 out and I open a larger bracket. Then I put my 3 minus 2 root 5. Okay, good. I close the bracket. Then I bring my operational sign. The next figure I have here is also 2 root 5. That is also multiplying 3 minus 2 on root 5. Good. So the 6 will multiply 3 and I'm going to get 18. Then anytime you have a fraction and a figure outside the fraction multiplying the fraction, the figure will multiply the numerator but not the denominator. So there's minus 6 times the numerator, which is going to give me 12 on root 5. Good. Plus, now the 3 will multiply the coefficient. So 2 multiplies 3, I'm going to get 6 root 5. Then 2 is multiplying, the entire aspect is multiplying the top. So let us make it before we cancel out. So minus 2 multiplies 2, I'm going to get 4 root 5, all on root 5. But at this point, you can clearly see that root 5 is a light term. So this root 5 will cancel this root 5. Then the function now becomes 18 minus 12 on root 5 plus 6 root 5 minus, since I've cancelled out, I'm left with what? 4. Good. Now, minus 4 and 18 are numbers. They are just whole numbers. They are not irrational numbers. But this one is a fraction which contains an irrational number. And this one is also a number containing a set which is an irrational number. So we will consider the 18 and the 4. So I will have 18 minus 4, that has been brought this way, minus 12 on root 5 plus 6 root 5. Good. 4 from 12, 18 will give me 14. So I've gotten 14 here minus 12 root 5 plus 6 root 5. Note that each one is a fraction. Any number is, when we divide any number by 1, is that same number. So what I do now is that my LCM, basically it is 3, so I cannot easily work it out like the way I've been doing. So my LCM here is going to be what? Root of 5. Good. Then 1 goes to root 5, 1. Sorry, 1 goes to root 5, root 5. Root 5 times 14 is going to give me 14 Then root 5 goes to root 5, 1. So minus 12. And 1 goes to root 5. Root 5 times 6 root 5. So I'm going to get plus 6 root 5 squared. Good. Now what happened now is this 2 will blow the root sign away, giving me 14 root 5 minus 12 plus 6 into bracket 5 all on root 5. Good. So 6, 5 will give me 30. But I've gotten minus 12 here, which will subtract. I can't do anything here, so I'll come down here, 14 root 5 minus 12 plus 30 all on root 5. Good. At this point, I take 12 from 30 and I'll be left with 18. So I have 14 root 5 plus 18 all on root 5. Good. Never solve any mathematical question whereby your final answer contains a denominator which is said. Anytime you have this, we say you have to rationalize. So I will now multiply the top by root 5 and the down here by root 5. So this root 5 is multiplying 18 and multiplying 14 root 5 too. So I'll have 14 root 5 squared. That means it is multiplying this. So root 5 times root 5 will give me root 5 squared plus 18 root 5 all over root 5 squared. Now the power blew the root sign away. The power blew the root sign away. Okay. So 5 will multiply 14, which will give me 70. So I've gotten, that means 5 times 14. As the root sign is blown away by the power, I'll be left with 5. 5 will multiply 14. So I'm going to get 70 here plus 18 root 5. 18 root 5 all on 5 because the power has blown the root away, all on 5. So you expand this thing a little bit to get 70 on 5 plus 18 on 5 root 5. Good. Just trying to finalize it and see. So 5 goes to 70, 14. So I have 14 here. 14 plus 18 on 5 root 5. So this one becomes the solution to the question.